Joining me now on a CNBC exclusive, ServiceNow CEO and Chairman Bill McDermott. Bill, good to see you.
Good to see you, John.
You guys announced the close of MoveWorks today. Are there any other big acquisitions you're ready to share with us?
I think the most important thing I'd like to share with you is the results of our organic growth machine speak for themselves at ServiceNow, since we're the only large enterprise software company that operates above the rule of 50, free cash flow and revenue growth, and consistently have delivered 20% plus revenue growth organically every year for the last decade. So the foundation to the house on its organic growth machine could not be stronger. And yeah, we're excited about MoveWorks. It's the first pure-play agentic AI employee experience company in the world. And when you think about great companies like CVS Health, Toyota, Marriott, Siemens, JP Morgan, you know, they run that and they love it because you get search, any data that you're looking for as an employee, and now with ServiceNow, you get to take the action all on one native agentic AI platform. So It's a great moment for us.
Well, let's get you right in the ring then with this downgrade, because I can see you're raring to go. We've been talking just about every quarter for a while now, you and me, about the momentum of your business. Competitors like Salesforce have been criticized for using acquisitions to try to buy growth. What's the role of M&A in ServiceNow's growth strategy?
Yeah, it's a great question. We don't need acquisitions for growth. We're already growing faster than all the other SaaS companies, and I constantly remind the investment community that we are not a SaaS company. We are a platform company. So when you have an analyst that downgrades a company based on how many IT seats there are, you have to remember, while IT service management, asset management, operations management, security, employee experience, customer service management, and then the creator workflow management are all in our portfolio. So as our seats continue to grow beautifully, then you layer on agentic AI into the platform, and a certain number of assists is granted to the customer. They get enormous economic value from that. And then there's the hockey stick that comes with the use cases and the assists, which is a net new business model on top, which is why the stock is going to split 5-for-1 on Thursday, and we couldn't be more confident in our position. So M&A and security, if you're referencing that because Veza was an announced deal, is because these agents are non-human. And you have to have a control tower that manages the identity of the people and the non-human agents in the flow of work. Yeah. There's only one enterprise software company in the world that does that at mass scale. We have 75 billion workflows in flight today.
Talk to me.
Having a security defense shield that integrates with all the other security companies but gives you one vision of your full portfolio is something that only we do.
Bill,
so ServiceNow
talk to me more about
is stronger
Control
than
Tower.
ever.
Talk to me more about Control Tower, because it's not as if you're saying that this narrative that AI changes the pivot point and leverage in software. It's not like you're saying that's not the truth. It sounds like you're saying that Control Tower is your initiative in that. Lay out once again what Control Tower is and how it interacts with other software, even that's not from ServiceNow.
Absolutely, John. You know, every company out there has a very heterogeneous environment. They have many different providers in their establishments, both in the public and the private sector. Our AI Control Tower connects to any hyperscaler cloud, all the major ones. It connects to every language model, and it connects to any data source. That could be an ERP company, a sales company, an HR company. We integrate with them all in one control tower. And now we also integrate the identity of all of those agents along with the humans in the flow of work. And if you think about it, wouldn't it be kind of dangerous not to have a company that goes east to west across your business processes on one common platform that works with humans and non-human agents? I think it would be. And so do our customers. That's why they buy so much from us.
All right. A lot of headlines from you here at the end of the year. More coming next year, I'm sure. Bill McDermott, CEO and Chairman of ServiceNow, thanks for joining us here on Overtime.
Thank you, John.